Hi, I'm Vincent, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can scrape Google Maps to find leads with Phantombuster. So I will show you how to use Google Maps to find leads, how to export all the data automatically with Phantombuster, and finally, how to use this data to turn those leads into clients. My goal is that by the end of this video, you know exactly how to build your list of leads from Google Maps using Phantombuster. So let's dive in. Alright, so just before we start this tutorial, if you want to try Phantombuster for free to export leads from Google Maps, you just need to click the first link in the description and then you will be on this page. I just want to let you know that if you use the link in the description, you will get the best available deal if one day you upgrade for a paid plan. So once you've clicked the first link in the description, you just need to go here and click on sign up, and then you will be able to create your account on Phantombuster for free. And the good point is that you don't need to put your credit card to start your 14-day free trial. So that being said, it's time to go on Google Maps to find some leads. All right, so as you can see, I'm on Google Maps, and if you want to find some leads, it's very easy. You just need to go here on the top left of your screen, and then you type what you want to search. So when you want to find some leads with Google Maps, I recommend you to start with your target. So for example, let's say that you want to sell marketing services for dentists. So you need to write dentist. And then the second thing you need to type is where you want these leads. So for example, you can say that you want to target dentists in New York. So you just need to write dentist, New York, and then you press enter. As you can see on the left, I have the results of my search, and in the middle, so on the map, I have the location of this dentist. So if you scroll, you will see that you have 120 results, and Google Maps don't give you more than 120 results. So if you want to get all the results for this search, dentist New York, you need to narrow down your search and do multiple search. So for example, I can say that I want only dentist in Brooklyn. So I will write dentist, Brooklyn, New York, and then we press enter. And now I only have dentists who are in Brooklyn. So if I click here on Brooklyn, we see that we have all the dentists in Brooklyn, and we have the results here. Now, if you want to export this list of dentists in Brooklyn, we need a tool to scrape the data automatically, and for that, we will use Phantombuster. So once you've created your account for free on Phantombuster, and don't forget that if you want to do that, you have a link in the description, then you will be on this page. Once you are here, it's very easy. You just need to click on Browse Phantoms. And then here we have the list of all the phantoms that we can use. And basically on Phantombuster, a phantoms is a scraper. So you see that on Phantombuster, you have a lot of scrapers that you can use. And the one we want to use to export a search from Google Maps is this one, Google Maps Search Export. So if we want to use this scraper, we just need to click on Use Now. And now what we need to do is to copy the link of our search. So I copy, then I paste, and then I click on Save. Here I can give the number of results I want to scrape. So just for this tutorial, let's say 20. Then we click on Save. And now on this page, we can select the launch frequency. So for this tutorial, I just want to launch it once. And then we click on Save. And finally, the last thing we need to do is to click on Launch. And now the scrapping is currently running, and I have to wait a little bit to get my export done. as you can see, my export is done. And now if I scroll a little bit, I see the results of my search. So I have the place URL, I have the title, rating, review count, category, I have the address, plus code, website, and phone number. So very useful if you want to outreach these leads. We have the current status, some info, and we have much more information that we can use. So you see on this page that I have 10 leads, and now I just need to click on the page number 2 to access the rest of the leads. One limitation that you will face if you use Phantombuster for free is that if you click on download results, you see that we can only export up to 10 leads for free, or we need to upgrade for a paid plan. And that's why I want to show you something to export an unlimited number of leads from Google Maps with Phantombuster. So basically what we want to do is to export this list of leads and get them into a clean CSV file. So if you want to bypass the Phantombuster limitation, you need to install a Chrome extension called Instant Data Scraper. So you click here on Add to Chrome and then Add Extension. And once you've installed this Chrome extension, you will see an icon like this one. Now let's go back to Phantombuster. And now if you want to scrape this data, it's very easy. You just need to click here on top, and then we have a pop-up like this one. So here you see that we have only 10 results, because on this page on Phantombuster, we only have 10 results. And if you extract a lot of leads on Phantombuster, you will have a lot of leads. And there is one feature on Instant Data Scraper that allows you to extract all the leads in just one click. So for that, we just need to click here on Locate Next button. So I click on it. Then the next button is here. Then we go back on Instant Data Scraper and we click on Start Crawling. And now you see that we have all the results from our search. So once we have this data, we just need to click on Copy All. Then we go on a spreadsheet and then we paste. And now on this Google Sheet, we have all the data that we've exported from Google Maps with Phantombuster. So we have our 20 leads here. And if we check, yeah, that's perfect. We have 20 leads. So as you can see with this workflow, you can export leads for free from Google Maps with Phantombuster. And at the end, you have a file like this one with the phone number of your leads, the domain, and you have much more information that you can use to outreach these people. So I hope with this tutorial, you can easily build your list of leads from Google Maps. If you want to try Phantombuster for free, you have the link in the description. And now if you want to see a complete beginner-friendly tutorial on how to find B2B leads using LinkedIn Sales Navigator, you can click somewhere on the screen. I wish you a nice day and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.